Canadian Tire Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get Canadian Tire wrong. They assume it's just a hardware store. The surprising truth is how wide-ranging their products are, and you won't believe how much you can do in one trip, from automotive and home to outdoor and sporting goods. Here's how it works. Canadian Tire sells tools, car parts, appliances, home improvement items, outdoor gear, and seasonal products. You can shop in store or online, and the website provides product details, customer reviews, and inventory availability. For example, someone preparing for winter can pick up tires, shovels, snow blowers, and heaters all in one place. Most people get this wrong. They think it's only for car and hardware supplies, but Canadian Tire also offers sporting equipment, gardening tools, and even electronics. Additional features include loyalty programs like Triangle Rewards, financing options, and seasonal promotions. Their online platform also allows delivery or in-store pickup, making it convenient for busy shoppers. However, there are considerations. While Canadian Tire has a vast selection, some specialty items may be pricier than niche retailers. Most people assume prices are always competitive. It's important to compare for specialized tools or brands. In conclusion, Canadian Tire is ideal for shoppers seeking variety and convenience in one place. Its combination of automotive, home, and recreational products makes it a go-to destination for practical and seasonal needs. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of retail stores and services.